So first one is not a polynomial. Hiteshri, why it is not a polynomial? What is the reason?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I think it is.
Why it is not a polynomial? Unmute yourself and tell.
Yes, ma'am. Can you hear me?
Yes.
Ma'am, I think it is a polynomial.
You think it is a polynomial. Why? Because power of x is 1. Here power of x is not a whole number. It can be written as x is power -1. Clear? 1 over x को हम क्या लिखते हैं? x is power -1. तो जब भी हम डिस्कशन करते हैं पॉलिनोमियल्स की, उसमें क्या है कि ये जो एक्सप्रेशन है उसमें x is power वेरिएबल की जो एक्सपोनेंट है that should be whole number, and -1 is not a whole number. It is not a whole number, therefore it is not a polynomial. I hope it is clear to you now. Now second
Yes, ma'am.
one. Second one. It is a polynomial or not? Sayam Pasi.
Not polynomial.
It is not a polynomial. Why? What is the reason?
मैं √3 is not a whole number.
बेटा जी कंडीशन किसकी है? कंडीशन सिर्फ जो वेरिएबल है, वेरिएबल जो उसका एक्सपोनेंट है दैट शुड बी होल नंबर. जो इसका कोएफिशिएंट है वो रियल नंबर होगा. क्लियर? ये कोएफिशिएंट है. √3 अलग है, x अलग है. व्हाट इज द पावर ऑफ x? x का एक्सपोनेंट क्या है? 1. So it is a polynomial. Is that clear? Second one is a polynomial. Here. Now third one. Or here I have written more of this. Third one. Rhythm.
Ma'am, it's not a polynomial because under
It is not a polynomial.
3x.
Good answer. Because here √3x whole under root है. It means √3 into √x. जिसकी वजह से नहीं, इसकी वजह से ये polynomial नहीं है. Because here it can be written as √3 into x raised power 1/2, and 1/2 is not a whole number. So therefore it is not a polynomial. It is not a polynomial. Now, number 2, it is a polynomial. What is the degree of the polynomial in number 2? What is the degree of the polynomial in case 2? जो second equation है. Only few students have raised hands. Kamaljeet Kaur.
Ma'am, 3.
Degree is 3. Here highest power यहाँ पे 1 है और यहाँ पे कितनी है? 3 है. Exponent 3 है. So here degree is 3. Here highest power of the variable in a term. So now number 4, I am going to write which type of polynomial is this? Which type of polynomial is this on the basis of number of terms? Which type of polynomial is this on the basis of number of terms? How many terms are there?
3.
3. Whose answer is this?
Ma'am, Hiteshri.
Okay. Noorjot, how many terms are there?
Ma'am, there are 3 terms and it is a trinomial.
It is trinomial. Now see, we can add these terms. It will become 4x plus 3x, 7x plus 5x square. Both are same. Now, what is the name? Kamaljeet.
Binomial.
बायनॉमियल जो बेटा लाइक टर्म्स है हमें उनको ऐड करना होता है क्लियर whenever we will add 3x plus 4x it will become 7x because here power of x is 2 exponent 2 है we cannot add x square in 7x so here total number of terms कितनी है 2 है so it is a binomial 2 terms clear now name the polynomial on the basis of degrees. Name the polynomial on the basis of degrees. Ishita Kapoor.
Ma'am, it is quadratic.
Quadratic. It is a quadratic polynomial. What is the reason? Rn name was appearing here. What is the reason, Ishita?
Because the highest degree is 2.
ठीक है, power is 2, degree 2 है, so it is binomial. And what is the second name of the? It is quadratic, degree 2 है, clear? अब हमने क्लासिफिकेशन की थी कल, उसमें what was special about zero polynomial? You can define. Okay, constant polynomial का बताइए पहले. What is a constant polynomial? Constant polynomial क्या होती है? लावण्या. मैंने give example of polynomial. कोई भी example दे दो. Unmute yourself. You're not audible. Okay, Rhythm.
Ma'am, where p into x is equal to k, which is any real number.
Px is equal to k. Give example. You can put the value of k like to be 7. ठीक है? ये हो गई constant polynomial. Second example, Px is equal to 0. Both are examples of constant polynomial. दोनों किसकी examples हैं? Constant polynomial की. So, what is the degree of Px is equal to 7? Is this ये एक polynomial है जिसको हम monomial बोलते हैं. Px is equal to 7. Single term is there. What is the degree? Ankit.
1.
Unmute yourself, Ankit.
And yes.
Speak loudly.
Ma'am, degree is 1.
Okay, so many hands are raised. Gauri.
Ma'am, the degree will be 0.
Its degree is 0. 7 can be written as 7 into x raised to power 0. What is the degree of this constant polynomial 0? Arpit. Zero. Anyone? Hiteshri.
Ma'am, also it would be 0 because x raised to power 0 is equal to 1. So 0 into 1.
Which one you are choosing?
Ma'am, x raised to power 0.
Okay, Gauri.
Ma'am, it cannot be defined, so all of them can be the degree of 0.
No. एक फिक्स नंबर होना चाहिए, ठीक है, जो वेरी नहीं करेगा हाईएस्ट। तो डिग्री ऑफ जीरो पॉलिनोमियल, ये एक कांस्टेंट पॉलिनोमियल है, फर्दर इट इज डिवाइडेड इनटू टू पार्ट्स, जीरो पॉलिनोमियल एंड नॉन जीरो पॉलिनोमियल। जो जीरो पॉलिनोमियल है, डिग्री ऑफ जीरो पॉलिनोमियल इज नॉट डिफाइंड। It is not defined. इसको हम किसी भी तरीके से लिख सकते हैं, उसमें हाईएस्ट पावर हमें पता ही नहीं है कि कितनी आ सकती है। Clear? So degree of zero polynomial is not defined. It is very very important. और degree of constant polynomial, लेकिन कौन सी? Non-zero. Degree of non-zero constant polynomial is जीरो। इसको हम इस फॉर्म में लिख सकते हैं, कोई और मेथड इसका हमारे पास नहीं है। आई होप नाउ इट इज क्लियर टू यू। सबको क्लियर होगा ये डिफरेंस बिटवीन जीरो एंड नॉन जीरो कांस्टेंट पॉलिनोमियल्स। नाउ यू टेल मी x is power 4 plus 2x cubed plus 1. What is the name of the polynomial on the basis of degrees? If degree is 4, what is the name? Ishita Kapoor?
And it is quartic.
Quartic. Ankit? Is there any second name?
Biquadratic.
It is biquadratic. Clear? Two names हैं. First is quartic or quadratic. कितनी डिग्री हुई? 2. Biquadratic 2 raised power 2 कितनी हो गई? 4. Now I hope the topic is clear to you. Now we are going to start further questions. Chapter polynomial, ये basic है इसका, you should know about this. I hope you all have done homework. Now exercise 2.1. Question number 1. Which of the following expressions are polynomial in one variable and which are not? अब बात चल रही है एक तो polynomial की और दूसरा variable कितना होना चाहिए? One variable only. Clear? And which are not? State reason for your answer. Clear? बुक में से पीछे से देख के आंसर नहीं लिखने, खुद rationalize करना है and then you have to get. First part. 4x square minus 3x plus 7. So is it polynomial? Ankit has raised hand. Yes, Ankit. So here it is a polynomial. Power कितनी है? 2 है. यहाँ पे 3x raised power 1 और variable कितना है? सिर्फ x. Yes. It is a polynomial in one variable. It is a polynomial in one variable. Next is third part. 3 under root 3 plus 3 under root 2. Yes, is it polynomial or not?
Not.
Yes.
No, ma'am, it's not a
It's
polynomial.
not a polynomial. No. It is not a polynomial. What is the reason?
Ma'am, because t is a variable and its power is 1/2 and
as 3 t raised power 1 by 2 and here under root 2 हम आगे लिख सकते हैं t. So इसकी वजह से ही due to this term. Clear? Because here exponent of the variable is not a whole number. Clear? Or you can say power of variable is not a whole number. ये इसका क्या हो गया? रीजन हो गया. Clear? Next is fifth part. X raised power 10 plus y raised power 3 plus e raised power 50. Yes. Is it a polynomial or not? Harsuk. Harsuk.
No, ma'am, because
Yes, it is not because.
no, because it is a polynomial. Because it is a polynomial in 3 variables.
Yes, it is a polynomial, but number of variables is total numbering of variables है 1, 2, 3. एक variable x है, एक variable y है, एक variable t है. Clear? So no, it is not a polynomial. अगर यहाँ पे इतना ही लिखूंगी तो ये गलत होगा. ठीक है? Polynomial तो है ये. It is not a polynomial in one variable. Because here number of variables are 3. Because x, y, and t, 3 variables are there. जो भी रॉन्ग है उसका आपने रीजन बताना. Now going to start question number 2. Write the coefficient of x square in each of the following. In question number 2, write the coefficient of x square in each of the following. First part. So here 2 plus x square plus x. It is the polynomial given to you. What is the coefficient of x square? Sakshi.
Ma'am, it's 1.
1. Because it can be written as 2 plus 1 into x square plus x. So coefficient of x square is equal to 1. Now, third part. Here it is pi by 2 x square plus x. So in this case, coefficient of x square. Arman Kapoor.
One pi upon 2.
Coefficient of x square over 2 is pi by 2. Now, with this one more question, we have used it as symbol pi. Pi by 2 is rational or irrational? Now you tell, ये जो number है pi by 2, ये rational है या irrational है? संयम.
Irrational.
It is irrational number because pi is irrational. Irrational over rational, answer will be irrational number. Here, especially we have done that pi is not a rational number. Now come to question number 3. Give one example of each of a binomial of degree 35. आपने example देनी है एक binomial की और डिग्री कितनी होनी चाहिए? 35. Binomial of degree 35. Harsuk. Harsuk Kaur, give answer.
X by x power 35 plus x power 2.
X is of power 35 plus
X power 2.
x is power 2. So here number of terms 2 है, ठीक है, और highest power of the variable is 35. Yeah, so it is a binomial of degree 35. और कुछ लिखना चाहो आप, you can give one more example. Here, Sakshi. Any other example?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, 2x raised to power 35 plus 7.
2x raised power 35 plus 7. Simply हम ये भी लिख सकते हैं. So many possibilities are there. Next is and a monomial of degree 100. Now इसी के साथ first part monomial of degree 100. Degree 100 होनी चाहिए single term. Monomial of degree 100. Manpreet.
Ma'am, x power 100.
Very good. It is x raised power 100. Any other example? Noorjot.
Ma'am, y raised to power 100.
Yes, y raised power 100. Second name मैंने इसका पूरा लेकिन y लिख दिया, y raised power 100. Here variable is changed. X से किस में convert हो गया? Y. Clear? Nice example. Next we are going to start question number 4. Write the degree of each of the following polynomials. Question number 4 में आपको degree लिखनी है हर एक polynomial की. So first part 5x cubed plus 4x squared plus 7x. What is the degree? Gurjot Singh. Unmute yourself. But it is not a difficult question and I am surprised that only few students have raised hand. Hitika.
Ma'am, 3 is the degree.
3 is the degree. It is not a difficult question. You all have to be attentive during math class. So here, name of the polynomial. And here it is degree. So this is the polynomial, degree is 3. Next is third part. 5t minus under root 7. What is the degree? Navtej Kaur.
1.
Here degree is 1. इसका power कितनी है? 1 है. Degree is 1. One extra question I am going to write here. X plus 4 into x minus 4. What is the degree here? This is the extra question I am asking you. Prakul.
Excuse me, 4. Ma'am, 1. Ma'am, 1.
What is the answer?
Ma'am, 1.
1. बेटा जी यहाँ पे देखिए we can multiply these. Okay? So Ankit, you have raised hand. Tell answer. Ankit.
Ma'am, 2.
Yes. What is the degree?
Ma'am, 2.
4. Here जब हम इनको मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे it will be a plus b into a minus b, it will be x square minus 4 square, which will be x square minus 16. Now you tell what is the degree here. Ankit, now tell.
Ma'am, 2.
It is 2, है ना? Earlier you have told 2. I was not able to listen you clearly. Clear? So degree is 2. Clear? तो जब भी पॉलिनोमियल्स है वो आपको मल्टीप्लाई करना है अगर ऐसे है तो ये नहीं कि यहाँ पे पावर 1 है यहाँ पे 1 है तो ओवरऑल 1 होगी। जब इनकी आपस में मल्टीप्लिकेशन होगी हमेशा सबको मल्टीप्लाई करने की जरूरत नहीं है। जब हाईएस्ट पावर्स आपस में मल्टीप्लाई होंगी तो एक्सपोनेंट्स को हम ऐड करते हैं when bases are same. One more example. Now you tell. These are expressions. X cubed plus 4 into x raised power 100 plus x square plus 1. अब इसको सॉल्व करने की जरूरत नहीं है आपको, डायरेक्टली you can see here. Let me check how many students know the answer. Then I will guide. Ankit, you have raised your hand, but some problem is there in your audio. Yes, please.
105.
100. अब देखिए
5.
जब हम यहाँ पे हाईएस्ट पावर ऑफ x 100 है, जब ये वाली टर्म x रेज़ पावर 3 से मल्टीप्लाई होगी तो x रेज़ पावर 3 into x रेज़ पावर 100 हो जाएगा। आपके पास हाईएस्ट पावर कितनी हो जाएगी? x रेज़ पावर 103. बेसिस आर सेम, पावर्स विल बी एडेड। हमें बाकी की मल्टीप्लिकेशन करने की जरूरत ही नहीं है क्योंकि अगर इसको हम 4 से करेंगे तो पावर 100 रहेगी, जब हम इसको करेंगे तो पावर 5 हो जाएगी, यहाँ पे करेंगे तो स्क्वायर हो जाएगा, 1 से करेंगे तो यही पावर रहेगी। तो मैक्सिमम पावर जो है मैक्सिमम एक्सपोनेंट कितना हो सकता है? 103. सो व्हाट इज द डिग्री? 103. इज इट? नाउ नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. Question number 5. Classify the following as linear, quadratic, and cubic polynomial. I hope you all have noted this. Again, type of polynomial and then polynomial and then classification. First polynomial is x square plus x, and after that we are doing all parts in the class, even parts you have to do yourself. Third part is y plus y square plus 4, and fifth part is 3t. Seventh part 7x cube. So here first आपने क्लासिफिकेशन किसके बेस पे करनी है? Whether it is linear, quadratic and cubic. तो ये क्लासिफिकेशन किसके बेस पे है? नंबर ऑफ टर्म्स के बेस पे या डिग्री के बेस पे है? तानिश.
मैम डिग्री.
Unmute yourself and tell.
मैम डिग्री.
It is on the basis of degree. ठीक है? तो first one, what is the answer of first part? Tanish, are you able to listen?
मैम yes, quadratic.
Yes. Here, highest power is 2. So it is quadratic. Next, third part. Here also highest possibility है 2 है, so it is also quadratic. Next is fifth part, 3D. Navtej Kaur.
Linear.
Linear. Here degree is 1. Okay, so it is linear. And the seventh part, Manpreet.
Ma'am,
Cubic. It is cubic polynomial. Clear? तो अब आपको सबको क्लैरिटी है कि क्लासिफिकेशन में कौन-कौन सी टाइप्स की ये पॉलिनोमियल्स थी. Now next we have to do it is zero of a polynomial. Zero of a polynomial होता क्या है? Let us understand first. Clear? Definition लिखने से पहले इसकी understanding करते हैं कि what is zero of a polynomial. In class 8, you must have factorized x square plus 4x plus 4. Hurry up, factorize x square plus 4x plus 4. By using formula, you must have done this. Noorjot.
Ma'am, I'm doing it.
Yes, please.
Ma'am, I'm doing it now.
Okay. Hiteshri.
ma'am, bracket x plus 2, bracket x plus 2.
Okay, x plus 2 into x plus 2. Otherwise, we can say it is x square plus 2 into 2x plus 2 square. We can compare it with x plus 2 whole square. ठीक है? अगर आपने factor method से भी किया है, then also it is right. So it is x plus 2 whole square. What is x plus 2 whole square? X plus 2 into x plus 2. Clear? Method different आप use कर सकते हो. You can I have used here identity method. कौन सी identity method हम use करें? X square plus 2ax plus a square is equal to x plus a whole square. ये वाली identity मैंने use करी. Clear? अब इसमें क्या है? जब हम zeros of polynomial निकालते हैं, तो वो value of x for which this whole expression becomes 0. Clear? वो value of x जिसके लिए सारा expression 0 हो जाता है. It means x की कौन सी value आपने x की value को find out करनी है so that x square plus 4x plus 4 becomes 0. तो यहाँ से इसके factor हमने लिख दिए x plus 2 into x plus 2 is equal to 0. Either this x plus 2 is 0 or second x plus 2 is 0. तो इसमें जो solutions हैं इसमें क्या आ गए? ये दो zeros आ गए. अगर आप x की value -2 पुट करते हो इसमें, तो आपको क्या मिलेगा? -2 square plus 4 into -2 plus 4. कितना आंसर आ जाएगा? 4 minus 8 plus 4, that is 0. So we can say x is equal to -2 is a 0 of px. ठीक है? ये सिर्फ एक एग्जाम्पल करवाई है, इसकी डेफिनेशन हम कल करेंगे. x की वो वैल्यू जिसके लिए जो पॉलिनोमियल है वो 0 हो जाए, that value of x is called 0 of px.